All right, my people, this is another one reaching us. Well, it's a shocking news. Well, it is a shocking one as Mrs. Modupe Onitiri finally on the run as Yoruba Nation agitators finally resumes fresh rally. You see, a lot of things are actually going on right now. As far as Yoruba Nation is concerned, if care is not taken, a lot of people will finally go astray. And then what are we talking about? As you can see, many things are actually happening right now. Yes, so onto this one, the Yoruba Nation movement resumes finally. And then what are we talking about? Yes, in London right now, the people have finally come out. You know, Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, when she came into the movement, she stopped every rally. That rally is not what we need to achieve Yoruba nation. So she strategized a lot of things. But as it stands, it didn't work. A lot of people are even to an extent they have forgotten about Yoruba nation. But when Professor Banji Akintoye actually started this then, the rally, was going on smoothly. At least rally is a kind of, thing that you will do to make it public, like creating awareness for people that, oh, this is what we stand for, this is our stand, this is exactly what we want. So I remember vividly when Professor Banji Akintoye was actually into it, where a lot of people actually were listening to Professor Banji Akintoye. The rally was everywhere to the extent that everywhere was shaking. The whole world knew that, oh, there is a nation that is about to resume called Yoruba nation. But since Mrs. Madubonitiri resumed, no, how does she used to talk about that thing? Our blueprint. Since she resumed our blueprint, that, oh, that is not rally will not be the thing to help you people to get Yoruba nation. So she strategized. She, automatically declare Yoruba nation to everyone that, oh, Yoruba nation have been declared. Though. Before you knew it, majority of people started reversing. They started, looking back that what is going on. Right now, as we speak, Yoruba nation had been forgotten. But if not for God, and then the people now reason that, oh, if this is the case, we should not listen to this Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. Let us go back to our rally. Let us create awareness so that they know that we are not happy. So that they know that we are still, bubbling. So that they will know that we are still for Yoruba nation. That Yoruba nation is still alive. Because if we keep quiet, my brother, my sister, just like what is going on right now, the Yoruba nation agitator will just die. But right now, the people have woken up. No, 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 no. That Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, your own pattern that you brought will not work. It's not even working for us. In fact, it will just destroy our life if we continue to follow your pattern. But right now, the people had come out in their numbers that thank God, oh, finally we are making awareness. They should know. And they actually, marching to the Prime Minister's house in London. You see, that's exactly what we are talking about. Now they are creating an awareness that, oh, we Yoruba Nation agitators, we are not sleeping. We are back. Yes, forget what Mrs. Modupe must have been doing. That is not our concern. Our concern right now is that we want Yoruba Nation to be achieved, and then we are coming out. We must keep creating awareness. That this awareness is just even starting. And then while watching the video, I saw a lot of crowd, a lot of people cooperated that no, 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 our awareness must continue just like the way it has been. We should not listen to anybody that will come and destroy this movement for us. We have to be very careful. And a lot of people are now like, oh, our eye don't open. Mrs. Modupe Onitiri right now on the run because she never believed it that the people will still come back to say they want to result into rally. And then this rally is actually working because the population of people that actually turned up on this, you know that majority of people are out there. They are in abroad. They are not happy with the kind of life they are living over there. They need to come home, but they cannot come home simply because of the fear of being kidnapped, being killed. So right now, tell me, how long are we going to continue like this? So I think it's better we go our separate ways. So right now, Yoruba Nation not going back, exactly what is in vogue right now. To the extent, I think I saw some IPOP flag alongside. So that is to tell you that both IPOP Yoruba, the Biafra and Yoruba, they are supposed to be one. They're supposed to be together. Somebody was asking that, but we are seeing more of IPOP flag. But the fact remains that this set of people actually understand what it means for people to say they want to go their separate ways. They understand what it means for people to be suffering. Where you have a nation that is flowing with milk and honey that you can always come together to achieve. And exactly what is going on right now, exactly what we are talking about. So a lot of people are now like, oh, so Mrs. Modupe Onitiri had been deceiving us all this while. Well, the fact is, it's only God that knows the right person who is actually working for him. But with what had been on ground, my brother, my sister, we don't need to lie to ourselves. Since Mrs. Modupe Onitiri came into this struggle, a lot of things stopped working. And I know Mrs. Modupe Onitiri has a lot of followers that are always supporting her. To me, I think this set of followers are actually working for politicians. Yes, they gather themselves in form of followers, but they have their own agenda. So we need to wake up. Everybody needs to wake up. Right now, Professor Banji Akintoye and Chief Sunday Igboho have finally been vindicated onto this one as mega rally gets rejuvenated. Right now, my brother, my sister, we cannot talk about how it can be achieved because a lot of people actually were used to the rally. Not until Mrs. Modugonitiri came in and she stopped the whole thing. Well, but right now the people have now resorted back to the same rally because they have seen it that if we say we should keep mute and they're talking only on media, on TV, on radio, my brother, my sister will not go anywhere. But when they see population of people coming out in their numbers, that see, we want you people to know that we are tired of one Nigeria. We want you people to know that we want to stand out. We want you people to know that we can help ourselves in our own nation. And exactly what is going on right now. Now the people have come out in their number. Yes, so they came out in their numbers, and right now I think we need to keep this mega rally up because right now a lot of people who had actually forgotten about Yoruba Nation, some set of people are being like, oh, this one a Yoruba Nation. Now see they do all those kind of questions, of which they are actually doing that underground. Some set of people are actually doing that, but right now they are coming out fully, which is what we actually want. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba Nation not going back, and exactly what it is. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, and then remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.